tracked the beast to a train tunnel. It's not a volatile. It's smarter, faster, stronger. It attacks in broad daylight. It had me. Could have killed me, but it didn't. It escaped when an explosion collapsed the tunnel. For now, the town hall's safe. Here's your sample. Now, what did you want to talk to me about?
My theory. A second sample was essential in order to confirm it.
What theory?
I've been analyzing the genetic structure, and I noticed a strange sequence in the code.
Meaning what?
These chimeras may share a portion of the same genetic structure.
Yeah, well, that makes sense though, right? They all come from the same virus.
I'm not talking about the virus. I'm talking about a totally separate sequence deliberately modified for a specific purpose. Give me your arm. I need to check something.
What, you're gonna juice me up again?
Relax. I just need a blood sample. I want to test how your blood reacts to the extracted plasma. I've pinpointed a potential location where you might encounter another chimera.
How much more of that GSB do I need? I don't want to end up like one of them.
You won't. That's not how it works. But if you want a real shot at taking down the Baron, this is what you need to do.
You keep saying that.
Because it's true.
All right. Then where do I find this thing?
Here. It's swampy, hostile terrain. But I found records indicating they transported that chimera there.
Okay. I'll let you know what I find.
If you want to travel faster and safer, keep an eye out for any abandoned Forest Service cars. Most are still operational. If you run out of gas, other cars and gas stations can help with that.
I owe you everything. Here's your reward. Hey there.
Who are you?
Cozy spot. Is it secure against the infected?
Maybe you didn't hear me. Who the hell are you and what the hell are you doing here?
Relax. I'm not here to cause any trouble. I'm on a hunt, but I sprained my ankle, and I just need a place to rest while I heal up.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, you can limp, you can hunt.
Wait. Name's Max. Maybe you could help me out. Do my hunting for me?
Why would I do that, Max?
I'd give you Lizzie in return. Check her out. She's a quality crossbow. What's your name, by the way?
Kyle. Now who or what are you hunting?
Some hag seen roaming in the area. They call her Yaga. I got a contract to hunt her down and bring a piece of her back.
What is proof you did the job?
Maybe. I didn't ask. It's a payday, you know. A man has to eat. So, you want to do it?
I could use a good crossbow. Why not? Where can I find this Yaga?
I tracked her into the forest near the mountain shelter up there. FYI, it only hunts at night.
All right. I'll see what I can do.
Go get that Yaga, Kyle. Don't let it get you.
Something tells me they didn't stop here just to stretch their legs. Fuck. What a massacre. Olivia, you were right. I found the Baron's men, but whatever they were moving, it's gone.
Gone. You mean it's escaped?
Yeah, but not before slaughtering every single one of them. These poor fuckers never stood a chance.
Do you think you can track it?
I can try. The blood trail leads into the swamps.
Please be careful.
You want me to be careful, or do you want me to find it?
I want you to find it.
Exactly. I'll keep you posted. Guess I better get to that island. Olivia, I got another sample.
Great. You're getting good at this.
Yeah, but I think it's time I found a new hobby.
Stick with it. We're making progress. As soon as I find another Chimera location, I'll let you know.
Okay, in the meantime, I'll go check up on the folks at the town hall.
Step the fuck back! Time to take out the trash!
Watch out for dark zones. They're insanely dangerous, but you might find some very valuable things in there.
Right, or get myself killed.
What the hell was that?
Kyle, those boosters. I believe they're safe, but we still need to be careful. What you're... they're safe, but we still need to be careful. What you're injecting gives you strength, but we don't know its limits. Let me know if you feel anything strange, okay?
We appreciate the help, Crane.
Guess I'll finally clean my rival tonight.
Yeah?
The beast you chased away. That tunnel leads to the forest. But who's to say it won't find its way back?
Always a possibility.
Yes. Which is why the sheriff would like to have a word with you. She feels we're rather defenseless at the moment.
Gotta go.
Come.
Just watch yourself out there. Kyle, we got a problem. Our backup system is just that. Backup. I'm not sure how much longer it's going to last.
What are you saying?
The plant that powered the town went down about a month ago. We tried contacting the foreman there, but there's no answer.
I sent a squad of rangers to see what was going on, and they never returned. I sent a second squad, and they disappeared too. I asked for volunteers for a third squad, but no one stepped up, and frankly, I can't blame them. So I said I'd go.
And I told her no. If we lose her, we lose our last shred of hope.
Look, I'm no electrician, but maybe I can go check it out and at least see what's going on.
I didn't want to ask. I didn't want to be presumptuous.
But if we can get the power back on, we might just have a chance here.
I'll see what I can do, but no promises.
Thank you, Kyle. People around here are starting to lose faith.
I guess they don't trust that God is watching out for us anymore.
God is watching out for us. He sent us Kyle.
I hope we didn't just send him to his death. Even if Crane makes it there. Who knows what
Yeah, but can't you check once more?
Right, mate.
Go look for it. You've got people, weapons.
Everything all right?
I'll just leave you two.
Kyle, yeah?
In the flesh.
Eli. I heard about you. Maybe you'll have more guts than those deadbeats. I need a favor. You could say it's personal. Concerns my father.
Could say? Can't really see how it wouldn't be.
Well, in a way it is, and in a way it isn't. I better get to the point. My father's got dementia and disappeared 2 days ago. You see, he's been getting worse and worse. Won't come back on his own. Get it?
You did nothing for 2 days?
I did. I rounded up a posse, left town hall, and
And?
we came back. We were afraid, okay? Out there, outside, it's fucking terrifying.
You don't seem particularly upset, though.
Look, he's a rotten old drunk. A fucking lowlife. That's why my mum left us. Now I'm stuck taking care of him and listening to his nonsensical bullshit. And now what? I'm supposed to cry?
But you still want my help.
Yeah. Else I wouldn't be any fucking different than those brain-dead monsters out there, would I? So I'm playing this game of father and son. And I'm asking you, find him.
All right, fine. Can you tell me more about him? Where do I start looking?
His name's William. Used to be a park ranger. Where to look? Guess you could start by checking our old cottage. It's in the lake basin. He's babbling about the past a lot lately. Talking about time we used to spend there.
All right, I'll try to find him.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for everything you're doing, mate.
Got to leave somehow.
May tomorrow be a little less shitty than today.
Hey, Kyle. I hear you're a problem solver.
Occasionally.
Oh, got it. You don't want to commit until you hear my pitch, so you're playing it all cool and casual. Is that it? Okay, well, here's the thing. We have some supply stashes out and about that our scouts check on now and then. One is near a well, and Joel, Jack, and Israel were heading there to collect when we lost contact with them.
When?
Couple hours ago. Infected probably got to them, but maybe not. Maybe there's still a chance to save them, or at least recover the supplies. Can you check it out, maybe?
Yeah, I'll go take a look.
Thanks, Kyle.
I'd even charge into the darkness of night.
Could use a nice cold pint. Or perhaps a wheat beer.
Kyle, we all owe you a debt of gratitude.
Folks are sleeping easier, thanks to you.
Any progress with the search?
Crane, Castor Woods is crawling with infected. You can't kill them all. Sometimes it's best just to run. It's a losing battle trying to kill every single one.
Thanks for the tip, Sheriff. I was just about to kill them all. I'm at the well. The area's crawling with infected.
Get rid of them, please. That's what's important to us.
That's just great. Doug, I found their bodies. No supplies here, though. Situation's also gotten more complicated.
Meaning?
Meaning someone's hunting your people, and that someone's got a knack for writing death threats.
Shit. Okay, well, let me figure out what to do. In the meantime, swing by here. I'll pay you back for helping me.
Likes us, like a splinter in his schlong.
Any luck finding out who killed your guys?
We're still looking into it, checking clues. In the meantime, we've doubled our patrols.
Got it. Well, radio me once you know more.
Sure thing, and here's a little something for you. I appreciate the help.